I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into YouTube Studio, using the channel that hosts the videos you want to measure. Once signed in, click Analytics in the left menu. This brings up Overview Metrics. Make sure to set the date range immediately, last 28 days, custom or lifetime, and, if relevant, filter by content type or individual video. This initial filter step matters because watch time will reflect only the period and content you selected, so choose precisely before moving to detailed metrics. Next, go to the Engagement tab where YouTube surfaces the Watch Time Hours card. Click that card to expand a detailed graph and table. You can compare watch time versus views and average view duration to understand viewer behavior. Once done, apply filters, pick a single video, playlist, traffic source, or country, so you isolate which content drives minutes watched. These filters change both the graph and the downloadable table, and that precision helps when you need accurate totals for reporting or optimization. To finish, export the detailed data using the top right export button. Choose CSV or Google Sheets for easy calculations. Then, sum the watch time, hours, column, or convert minutes to hours by dividing by 60 to get precise totals for your date range. If numbers seem off, make sure filters weren't stacked. Clear all filters, verify the selected time zone and date range, and re-export. If problems persist, check for data latency. Analytics can lag up to 48 hours, so wait and recheck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.